Here I have a thin and thick asparagus. So for what concern the thin ones, I cut the woody part off and leaving the elastic bands on, I wash them under running water. Now cooking the thick ones, I remove the bottom part of one of the asparagus, then I measure how much the woody part is, and I choose to keep about half an inch more instead of discarding all of the bottom. Now with the potato peeler, I remove 1 inch of the bottom skin so the asparagus can cook more evenly. After I am done peeling them, I am going to wash them under running water. With or without elastic band, I put the asparagus in a bunch and I wash them under running water. To cook the thick asparagus, they need to be immersed in water at least half of their body. Choose a pan with tall walls. Add a basket inside and 5 cups of water. So the denser part of the body of the asparagus will cook in the water and the tips will cook with the steam. For the cooking time, it depends how crunchy or soft you prefer them. I like a bit of a crunch, so I cook them for about 5 minutes. If you want them well done, you can choose about 6 or 7. Asparagus are a fast and versatile side, and they can be paired with white or red meats, but they can be used for soups too. Here I am using a simple Italian vinaigrette to season them. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.